right. Next problem, a function is matched below against an interval where it is supposed to be increasing, which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched, is here. So first one, the interval, next one is here function, So first one, interval is minus infinite to infinite, given function is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 3. Next interval is close to 2 comma infinite, function is 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 6. Next interval is minus infinite comma 1/3 closed, function is 3x square minus 2x plus 1. Next function is minus infinite comma minus 4 closed, x cube plus 6x square plus 6, right. Students, so given interval and function, right. So the match the functions is here. So one function is in match, the not correct matched is here. So given function, increasing interval is given. 3 are the correct one. So one is right, not correct is here. So you see that which is the incorrect is here. So you take the first problem, right. What the given function is here? F of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 3 is here. So what the increasing function, right? What the f dash x is here? 3x square minus 6x plus 3 is here. Given increasing means which value is whatever is here? Positive. Which value is positive means whatever is here? 3 is common. X square minus 2x plus 1 is positive is here, which is nothing but the 3 into x minus 1 whole square is positive. So 3 positive, x minus 1 is also positive. For all values of this one is positive. That's why first answer is correct. And coming to the next second problem is here. F of x is equal to is here 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 5 is here. Right. Then the derivative f dash x is equal to is here 6x square minus 6x minus whatever is here 12. 6 is common, x square minus x minus 2 is here. So this can be factorized 6 into whatever is here x minus 2 into x plus 1, but increasing is positive. So when it is increasing here, right, you substitute x equal 2 and more is here, more than 2, right. Given interval is 2 to infinite is here, substitute 2 then more intervals is always positive is here. So this is also the correct answer. And coming to the third function, f of x is equal to is here 3x square minus 2x plus 1 is here, and f dash x is equal to is here 6x minus 2 is here, which is positive, implies what happen is here x greater than or equal to 1/3. So increasing in the interval 1/3 to infinite is here, but given minus infinite to, right, this one is wrong, right. Next, coming to the next function is here f of x is equal to is here x cube plus 6x square plus 6 is here. That imply f dash x is equal 3x square plus 12x is here. The value is here, right, 3 common, x square plus whatever is here 4x is here. So given interval is minus infinite to whatever is here minus 4. So you here the 3 into x into whatever is here x plus 4 can be taken. In the range minus infinite to minus 4, minus infinite to minus 4, x is negative, x plus 4 is also negative, total is also negative. That's why this is also correct, right. Therefore the incorrect match is here. Third problem is here. What given? Given interval is given, function is given. So function increasing in the interval. So 4 problems are given. One is not correct matched is here. You identify which one is not correct is here. First, given function f(x), right. Take the f dash x is here increasing greater than or equal 0. The right, solving all the problems is here. Third one is whatever the incorrect match is here. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ప్రమేయాలు మరియు అవి ఇంక్రీజ్ అయ్యే అంతరాలు ఇచ్చినాడు, కానీ ఒక్క ప్రాబ్లం కరెక్ట్గా లేదు, దానిని గుర్తించమన్నాడు. ఏమేం చేసినామండి? ఫస్ట్ ప్రమేయం f of x, then f'(x) ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అంటే f'(x) గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ 0. కాబట్టి ఇవ్వబడిన అంతరంలో అది నిజమవుతుంది. రెండవ ప్రాబ్లం కూడా f'(x) కనుక్కున్నాం, ఇవ్వబడిన అంతరంలో అది కూడా ధనాత్మకమైంది, కరెక్ట్ వన్, రైట్. థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లంలో f'(x) కనుక్కున్నాం, f'(x) ఇంక్రీజ్ కావాలంటే f'(x) గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ 0, అది 1/3 నుంచి ఇన్ఫానెట్ వరకు ఉండాలి. కానీ మనకి ఇచ్చింది ఏంటండి -∞ to 1/3, ఇది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ f'(x) తీసుకుంటే x × x+1 ఈ అంతరంలో -∞ to -4లో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతా ఉన్నది, కాబట్టి థర్డ్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఇన్కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ద ఫంక్షన్ f(x) is equal 2/x plus x/2, 2/x plus whatever it is, 2/x plus x/2 has a local maximum, has a local minimum, as a local minimum at which point is here, at which point, right. First one is at x is equal to, second one option is at x equal -2, third option is at x equal 0, fourth answer is at x is equal 1. Given function is f(x) equal 2/x plus x/2. At the minimum, at local minimum, at which value is here? So given function is f(x) is equal whatever is here, x/2 plus whatever is here, 2/x is here, right. So this is of the form is here, x/2 plus 1/x/2 is here. So this of the form f(x) equal alpha plus 1/alpha form is here, where alpha is equal to x/2 is here, right. Using algebraic equation, so what we observing is here, alpha plus 1/alpha2, alpha plus 1/alpha as always greater than or equal to 2 is here, always greater than or equal to 2 is here, and equality holds at alpha is equal to whatever is here 1. You observe alpha plus 1/alpha always greater than or equal to, equality holds at alpha is equal to 1. That means alpha plus 1/alpha is minimum value is 2, at alpha is equal to 1 is here. Same our problem, what the alpha is here, x/2 is equal to 1 is here. That implies at x equal to, therefore at x is equal to, the function value as the local minimum. What? Given f(x) is equal to x/2 plus 2/x is here, which is of the form x/2 plus what is the 1/x/2 is here, which is the form of alpha plus 1/alpha, right. We know that without using the calculus, the algebraic, we say that direct is here. What happened, alpha, right, where alpha is equal to x/2, alpha plus 1/2 always greater than or equal to whatever is here 2, which is the inequality is here, standard inequality, but equality holds when alpha is equal to 1. That means alpha plus 1/alpha minimum value is 2, at alpha is equal to 1. Same our problem, what the alpha is here, x/2, x/2 is equal to 1, x equal to, therefore given function has the minimum value at x equal to. చూడండి f(x) equal 2/x plus x/2 అనే ప్రమేయం కనిష్ట విలువని ఏ x విలువ దగ్గర పొందుతుంది అని అడిగినాడు. సో ఇవ్వబడిన ప్రమేయం ఏంటండి, x/2 plus 2/x is here. దాన్ని ఏ విధంగా రాయొచ్చండి, x/2 plus 1/x/2గా రాయవచ్చు. ఇది ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ 1/alpha రూపంలో ఉంది. ఆల్ఫా ఏంటండి ఇక్కడ x/2, కానీ రైట్. సో ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ 1/alpha అనేది ఆల్వేస్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు, always greater than or equal to is here. So the right, and equal, right, సమానం ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందండి, ఆల్ఫా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 అయినప్పుడు. అంటే ఆల్ఫా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 అయినప్పుడు ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ 1/alpha విలువ కనిష్ట విలువ 2 అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి మన కనిష్ట విలువ ఆల్ఫా ఏంటండి, x/2, రైట్. x/2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 అయితే x ఈక్వల్ 2, కాబట్టి x ఈక్వల్ 2 వద్ద రైట్ ఈ ప్రమేయం కనిష్ట విలువని పొందుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఏ triangular park is enclosed on two sides, by a fence and on the third side by a straight line, straight river bank, the two sides having fence are of same length x. The maximum area enclosed by the park is dash. First answer is 3 by 2 x square square units, and second answer is root x square by 2 square units, and the third answer is 1 by 2 x square square units, and the fourth answer is here pi x square square units is here. Right, what the problem is here? A triangular park are there, enclosed by the two sides fencing, and the third side is state river bank, and the two sides having the same length x is here, then the maximum area of the park is here. So what is the park? Right, this is the triangular park is here. This is the triangular park is here. So this is the whatever is here, river bank on the straight line. So this is the triangular park. These two sides are fencing with length whatever is here, x is here. With length x is here. Then what is its maximum area? What is it? Right. Suppose these two sides are equal fencing is here. Angle is theta is here. Then area of the triangle. Area of the triangle A is equal. Area of the triangle A is equal. Two sides are given of, right, whatever is here, using the properties of triangle is here, of into, right, A into B into whatever is here, sin theta can be taken is here. This side is A, this side is B, including angle is theta is here, of the whatever is here, x square into this one. Right. That value A is equal 1 by 2 x square into whatever is here, sin theta. But we know that we want maximum value. A is maximum. Right. Of positive x square is also positive. A maximum when sin theta is equal to whatever is here, 1. So therefore the maximum value of A is equal to whatever is here, of x square is here. When sin theta, maximum value of sin theta is 1, of positive and x square is also positive. That's why the maximum area of the triangular park is here, of x square square units is here. So the what asking? Given one triangular park, two sides are fencing, one sides are straight river bank is here, two sides are equal length of fencing is here. Find the maximum area of the parking. Right. We know that. So two sides length is A and B including angle theta. Then area of the triangle A is equal of AB sin theta is here. So what the A is length, A and B are the lengths of the two sides. That value is x into x is here. So therefore our area A is equal to of x square sin theta. Of positive x square positive. We find the maximum value of sin theta. When it is the maximum value of sin theta is 1. That's why maximum area is whatever is here. Maximum area is of x square is here at theta is equal pi by 2. Theta is equal to pi by 2 means sin theta. Therefore, required maximum area is here of x square square units is here. చూడండి. సో త్రిభుజ ఆకారంలో ఉన్న ఒక పార్క్కి ఒక భుజం వైపు ఒక నది ఉన్నది. నెక్స్ట్ రెండు భుజాలకి ఏంటండి రెండు భుజాల పొడవులు సమానంగా ఉండేట్టు ఫెన్సింగ్ వేసినారు. సో వాటి మధ్య తీటా కోణం అయితే ఆ త్రిభుజం యొక్క గరిష్ట వైశాల్యాన్ని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఇది త్రిభుజం. త్రిభుజంలో రెండు భుజాల పొడవులు సమానం, వాటి మధ్య కోణం ఏంటండి తీటా. అయితే దీని యొక్క గరిష్ట వైశాల్యం కనుక్కున్నాడు. సో త్రిభుజ వైశాల్యానికి సూత్రం ఏంటండి, ఆఫ్ ఏబి సైన్ తీటా. సో ఏ కామా బిలు త్రిభుజ భుజాల పొడవులు. భుజాల పొడవులు ఏంటండి ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఎక్స్. అప్పుడు ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమైందండి ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ సైన్ థీటా అయింది. ఆఫ్ రైట్ 1/2 అనేది ధనాత్మకం, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అనేది ధనాత్మకం. మనం దేని యొక్క గరిష్ట విలువను కనుక్కోవాలండి సైన్ థీటా. సైన్ థీటా ఎప్పుడు గరిష్టం అవుతుందండి, థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ π/2 అయితే గరిష్టం అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి మ్యాక్సిమం ఏరియా రైట్ త్రిభుజం యొక్క గరిష్ట వైశాల్యం ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అట్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ π/2 వద్ద అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి కావలసిన గరిష్ట వైశాల్యం ఏంటండి ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్ ఈజ్ హియర్. Next problem, if P and Q are positive real numbers such that P square plus Q square is equal to 1, then the maximum value of P plus Q is dash. Maximum value of P plus Q is dash. So first answer is 2, second answer is √2, third answer is 1/2, fourth answer is 1/√2. What given? P and Q are the positive real number, so that P square plus Q square is equal to 1. Then asking maximum value of whatever is here, P plus Q is here. Right. So using that very simple technique is here. So P and Q are the positive numbers. Right. We know that arithmetic mean greater than or equal to whatever is here, geometric mean is here. Right. What the arithmetic mean of these two numbers is here? P plus Q by 2. Greater than or equal, what the geometric mean is here? Root PQ is here. Right. So this one, the squaring on both sides is here. P plus Q whole square is equal. The 4 into whatever is here, PQ can be taken is here. Right. So using that one is here, P square plus Q square plus whatever the 2 PQ is here, minus 4 PQ is greater than or equal to 0 is here. Right. Applying this one is here. So what is the P square plus Q square already given, whatever is here, 1 in the problem, given condition, minus 4 PQ is greater than or equal to 0. Right. Applying this one is here. Right. So this one 2 minus 4 is whatever the value is 2. Right. So PQ is less, right, PQ is less than or equal to whatever is here, half can be taken is here. Right. So therefore whatever the, right, we want asking the maximum value of whatever is here, P plus Q is here. So P plus Q maximum value is here. Right. So also P plus Q maximum value is asking is here. P plus Q whole square is equal to is here. P square plus Q square plus 2 PQ is here. We know that P square plus Q square value is 1. PQ maximum value is whatever is here, 2 into whatever is here, 1 by 2 can be taken. Right. Therefore P plus Q whole square less than or equal to is here. Therefore P plus Q less than or equal to whatever is here, root 2 is here. Therefore maximum value of P plus Q is whatever is here, root 2 can be taken. Using algebraic properties also we find the maximum value. What given? If P square plus Q square is equal to 1, then find the maximum value of whatever is here, P plus Q. Right, we know the algebra is here, arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. P plus Q by 2 greater than or equal to whatever is here, root PQ is here. Squaring on both sides, applying P square plus Q square is equal to 1, we get PQ less than or equal to 1 by 2. Right. Now consider P plus Q whole square. P square plus Q square plus 2 PQ is here. This P square plus Q square is 1. PQ is less than or equal to what? 1 by 2. Applying that one, P plus Q less than or equal to root 2 is here. Therefore maximum value of P plus Q is what? Root 2. చూడండి, P కామా Qలు రెండు ధన సంఖ్యలు, P స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ Q స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 అయితే P ప్లస్ Q యొక్క గరిష్ట విలువని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్. దీనికి ఏం చేస్తామండి? P కామా Qలు ధనాత్మకాలు కాబట్టి రెండు సంఖ్యల అంకమధ్యమము గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆ రెండు సంఖ్యల గుణమధ్యానికి సమానం. అంకమధ్యమం ఏంటండి? P ప్లస్ Q బై 2, గుణమధ్యమం రూట్ PQ. రైట్. దీన్ని మొత్తం ఇరువైపులా వర్గం చేసి సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే PQ వాల్యూ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు హాఫ్ వచ్చినది. రైట్. ఇప్పుడు మనకు P ప్లస్ Q హోల్ స్క్వేర్ తీసుకుందాం. P స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ Q స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2 PQ. P స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ Q స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ ఎంత ఇచ్చినండి? 1 ఇచ్చినాడు. PQ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు హాఫ్ కాబట్టి P ప్లస్ Q లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎంత అండి? రూట్ 2. కాబట్టి P ప్లస్ Q యొక్క గరిష్ట విలువ ఎంత కావడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది? రూట్ 2 ఈజ్ హియర్. దేర్ఫోర్ P ప్లస్ Q యొక్క గరిష్ట విలువ రూట్ 2. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, the function, next problem, the function f of x is equal to tan inverse of sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x is an increasing function, is an increasing function in which interval is asking. Right. First answer is here, open pi by 4 comma pi by 2. Second answer is here, minus pi by 2 comma pi by 4. Third answer is here, 0 comma pi by 2. And the fourth answer is here, minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 is here. Okay. You see that f of x equal tan inverse of sin x plus cos x is an increasing function in which interval is asking. What first given function is here, f of x is equal whatever is here, tan inverse of whatever is here, sin x plus cos x is here. Asking increasing function in which interval. How find the increasing in which interval? First find derivative. Right. What is the derivative of f dash x is here, which is of the form tan inverse x is here. So what is the tan inverse x differentiation? 1 by 1 plus x square is here. X square means sin x plus cos x whole square is here. Into x differentiation. X means what the function is here? Sin differentiation is cos, cos differentiation is minus sin x is here. So the value f dash x is equal to is here. So this can be simplified is here. Right. Root 2 into. Right. Root 2 into 1 by root 2 cos x is here, minus 1 by root 2 sin x by is here. So 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square is here. sin x plus cos x whole square. Simplify this one, 1 by 2 into, this value is here cos 45, this value is here sin 45 is here, which of the form cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is the cos of A plus B is here. Cos of A value is x is here, be right, plus 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square is here. Sin x plus cos x whole square. So we want f is increasing, f dash x is whatever is here positive. F dash x is positive means is here root 2 into cos of x plus pi by 4, right, by 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square is positive is here. So you observe, right, 1 positive, square is also always positive, root 2 is also positive. We discuss only when it is cos is positive. Right, you observe this the cos is here, what the cos graph is here, cos 0 is 1, right, is positive at whatever is here minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 in the right in the past, right, minus pi by 2 is the cos is positive is here. So what the angle is here, right, required angle is here minus pi by 2 less than, right, less than or equal to is here x plus pi by 4 less than or equal to pi by 2 is here. If given angle lies between minus 90 and 90 is here, the function is whatever is here increasing can be taken. Both sides subtracting pi by 2 is here, pi by 4 is here, the value is here minus 3 by 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 4 is here. So therefore the increasing interval in the length is in the interval is here minus 3 by 4 comma pi by 4 is here. So which is the superset of whatever is here minus pi by 2 comma whatever is here pi by 4. That's why second answer is correct. What given? F of x is given. Find the increasing interval. First given function f of x, derivative, right, given increasing means f dash x greater than or equal to 0, but here one technique using here cos x minus sin x is here. So how it is converted, the single trigonometric function is here multiply and divide by root 2 is here. So this is of the form root 2 into cos of x plus pi by 4 by 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square, which is positive. 1 positive, root 2 is positive, square is also positive. We observing when cos is positive, total derivative is also positive, right. We observe cos graph is here, the x lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, cos is positive is here. That's why our angle is x plus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 pi by 2 is here. Simplifying x is equal, x belongs to the minus 3 by 4 to pi by 4 is here, which is the superset of the given sets minus pi by 2 to pi by 4. That's why second answer is correct. చూడండి f of x ఈక్వల్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ sin x ప్లస్ cos x అనేది ఈ క్రింది ఏ అంతరాలలో ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ప్రమేయం అవుతుంది అని అడిగాను. రైట్, ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇవ్వబడిన ప్రమేయం f of x, దాని నుంచి f డాష్ x కనుక్కున్నాం. మనకి fx అనేది ఇంక్రీజింగ్ కావాలంటే f డాష్ x అనేది ధనాత్మకం కావాలి. ఇక్కడ ఒక టెక్నిక్ ఏం చేసినామండి, రూట్తో గుణించడం భావించడం, రైట్, సైన్ కాసుల్ని ఒకే ప్రమేయంలోకి మార్చినాక f డాష్ x అనేది ధనాత్మకం కావాలంటే హారంలో ఉంది మొత్తం కూడా ఎల్లప్పుడూ ధనాత్మకం, రూట్ 2 అనేది ధనాత్మకం, కాస్ అనేది ధనాత్మకం కావాలి. కాస్ ఎప్పుడు ధనాత్మకం అవుతుందండి, x అనేది మైనస్ పై బై 2 నుంచి పై బై 2 మధ్యలో ఉంటే ధనాత్మకం అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి మన కోణం x ప్లస్ పై బై 4 అనేది మైనస్ పై బై 2 నుంచి పై బై 2 మధ్యలో ఉండాలి. సో దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే x అనేది ఏ అంతరంలో ఉండాలండి, మైనస్ 3 బై 4 నుంచి పై బై 4కు ఉండాలి. సో ఇది ఇవ్వబడిన ఏ సమితికి ఉన్నత సమితి అవుతుందండి, రెండో దానికి అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి సో ఏ అంతరంలో ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుందండి, మైనస్ పై బై 2 నుంచి పై బై 4 అంతరంలో ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, సపోజ్ ద cubic polynomial x cube minus px plus q has three distinct roots, three distinct real roots, where p is positive, comma q is also positive is here. Then which one of the following holds? Which one of the following holds is here? First response is the cubic polynomial minimum at plus root p by 3 and maximum at minus root p by 3 is here. And the second response is here, right, the cubic polynomial is minimum at minus root p by 3 and maximum at plus root p by 3 is here. And the third answer is here, the cubic polynomial the cubic polynomial has the minimum at both, right, both whatever is here plus or minus root p by 3 is here, right. And the fourth answer is here, cubic polynomial has maxima at both of the plus or minus root p by 3, right. Given cubic polynomial is given, what the cubic polynomial is here, x cube minus px plus q, right. So as the three distinct roots are given, three distinct roots are given, p is positive, q is positive, then when it is maximum, when it is minimum, right. Here two critical points is here, plus or minus p root by 3, plus or minus root p by 3 is here, where it is maximum, where it is whatever is here, minimum is here, right. So given polynomial is given cubic polynomial is f of x equal to is here, x cube minus px plus whatever is here, q is here. So what the f dash x is here, f dash x is equal to 3x square minus whatever is here, p can be taken, right. So what happen is here, the value for maximum or minima, for maximum or whatever is here, minima, we get f dash x equal to whatever is here, 0. Using that one, 3x square minus p is equal to 0 is here, x equal plus or minus whatever is here, root p by 3 is here. From that one, find the whatever is here, f double dash x is here. What is the f double dash x is here? The value is whatever is here, f double dash x is whatever is here, cx, right, 6x can be taken. You observe the graph is here, right. So what the graph is here, right, whatever the, right, this is 0, this whatever is here, minus root p by 3 plus root whatever is here, p by 3, why is p is positive, and given three distinct roots is here, three distinct roots means is here, the curve intersect the x-axis in three distinct points is here. So only this possibility is here. So whatever this possibility is here, the, right, this one can be taken is here. This the only one possibility is here. So at this whatever the, this one is the maximum or whatever is here, minimum can be taken, right. That has the three distinct points is here. This is one root and this is one root and this is the third one, right. So these three or the whatever is here, real roots can be taken is here. There is no alternate using the graph. You observe, right, at minus p by 3 the function has the maximum value is here, and at whatever is here, root minus p by 3 the value is whatever is here, minimum value can be taken. Or you substitute f double dash x value is here at minus root p by 3 is whatever the negative means whatever is here, maximum value. F double dash value at plus p by root 3 is here, plus b by root 3 is positive is here, minimum value can be taken. It minimum and maximum, three distinct roots is here. So therefore the whatever is here, the maximum value, the whatever the maximum value at the minimum value at plus root by 3 minus the maximum value at whatever the minus p by root 3 is here. This is correct. Given cubic polynomial, when it is maximum, three real roots are there, find the maximum and minimum values, right. We find cubic polynomial is f of x. For the maximum or minimum, first find f dash x equating to 0. What are the critical points are? Plus or minus root p by 3. Find the second derivative, right. What the second derivative is here? 3, right. What the second derivative is 6x. Substitute in the critical points is here. At minus root p by 3 is negative maximum, plus root p by 3 right, positive minimum. That's why draw the graph is here. You see the graph, the function, right, intersect the x-axis at three distinct points is here. That's why. So at minus p by root 3 is maximum, plus root p by 3 is the minimum is here. Why three distinct roots can be taken? చూడండి, x క్యూబ్ మైనస్ px ప్లస్ q p కామా qలు ధనాత్మకం అయినప్పుడు అనే ఘన బహుపదికి ఎప్పుడు గరిష్ట విలువ ఉంటుంది, ఎప్పుడు కనిష్ట విలువ ఉంటుందో కనుక్కోమన్నాడు, రైట్. ఇవ్వబడిన ఘన బహుపది ఏంటండి? f ఆఫ్ x. దీనికి గరిష్ట కనిష్ట విలువ కోసం ఏం చేయాలండి? f డాష్ x కనుక్కోవాలి. సో గరిష్ట కనిష్ట విలువల కోసం f డాష్ x ఈక్వల్ ఏంటండి? 0. దాని నుంచి x ఈక్వల్ ఏమొచ్చిందండి? ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ రూట్ p బై 3. సో ఇప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు గరిష్ట, రైట్. కానీ మనకి ఇచ్చిన 3 రైట్ వాస్తవ మూలాలు ఉంటాయని ఇచ్చినాడు. ఎక్కడ గరిష్ట ఉంటుందండి? ప్లస్, రైట్, ఎఫ్ డబుల్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ కనుక్కున్నాం. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ రూట్ పీ బై 3 దగ్గర రుణాత్మకమైంది కాబట్టి గరిష్ట విలువ ఉంటుంది. ఎఫ్ డబుల్ డాష్ ప్లస్ రూట్ పీ బై 3 దగ్గర ధనాత్మకమైంది కాబట్టి కనిష్ట విలువ ఉంటుంది. మనం గ్రాఫ్ గీస్తే, రైట్, సో మైనస్ రూట్ పీ బై 3 దగ్గర గరిష్ట ఉండాలి, ప్లస్ రూట్ పీ బై 3 దగ్గర కనిష్ట ఉండాలి, మరియు 3 వాస్తవ మూలాలు ఉండాలి. అంటే ప్రమేయపు యొక్క గ్రాఫ్ గీస్తే మనకు ఎక్స్ అక్షాన్ని 3 చోట్ల ఖండించాలి. కాబట్టి ఇది ప్రమేయపు యొక్క గ్రాఫ్. దీని నుంచి మనకు మైనస్ రూట్ పీ బై 3 దగ్గర గరిష్ట విలువ ఉంది, ప్లస్ రూట్ p by 3 దగ్గర కనిష్ట విలువ ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, గివెన్ p of x is equal to x power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d such that x is equal 0, x equal 0 is the only real root of p dash x equal 0 if p of minus 1 less than p of 1. Then in the interval closed minus 1 comma 1, the 4 responses here. P of minus 1 is the minimum, and P of 1 and is here, P of 1 is the maximum, at P is here. And the second response is P of minus 1 is whatever is here, minimum. P of minus 1 is minimum, but P of 1 is right, P of minus 1 is minimum, but P of 1 is not the maximum value is here, not the maximum at whatever is here, P. Third response is here, P of 1 is the maximum, but P of 1 minus 1 is not minimum is here, So fourth answer is here, P of 1 and P of minus 1, neither maximum nor minimum is here. This is the question. What? Given polynomial is 4th degree polynomial, P of x is here, so that x is equal 0 is the only real root of the equation P dash x equal 0, and given condition P of minus 1 is less than whatever is here, P of 1 in the interval minus 1 to 1 is here. Then what? At the point P is here, what is the maximum value, what is the whatever is here, minimum value, this is asking is here. So whatever the given polynomial P of x is equal to is here, x power 4 plus ax cube is here, plus bx square plus cx plus whatever is here, d. First find P dash x is here. What is the P dash x is here? 4x cube is here, plus 3ax square plus 2bx is here, plus whatever is here. See, given that x is equal 0 is root of the equation P dash x equal 0. That means is here, P dash 0 is equal 0 is here. Substitute P dash is equal 0, then C is equal to whatever is here, 0 is here. Right, and C is equal 0, then whatever the C is, substituting C is equal 0 is here, then the P of x is here, x common, right, the value is here 4x square plus 3ax plus whatever is here, 2b can be taken. Why C is equal to whatever is here, 0, right. So that and also given P dash x is the only one real root is here, x equal 0, x equal 0 is the only real root. That means this equation has no real roots is here. Has no real roots means is here, its discriminant is whatever is here, negative, right. Discriminant delta is always less than or equal to whatever is here, 0, right. Using that fact is here, so what happen is here, whatever the P dash x is here, P dash x you observing is here, this always the discriminant positive is here, that's why this sign is depend upon the whatever is here, x is here, that's why which is positive, which is the P dash x is positive is here for all x belongs to open 0 comma 1 closed is here, and 0 if x is equal 0 is here, and the negative if the x belongs to closed minus 1 to whatever is here, 0 can be taken is here. So you observe the P dash x is positive and negative is here, you draw the graph is here at x equal 0. Right, P dash x is negative, right, this the minus 1, this the whatever is here, 1. You observe P dash x is negative in the interval minus 1 to 1, and this in this interval P is the decreasing function, P is the whatever is here, decreasing function is here, and in the interval 0 to 1 P dash x is positive means P is increasing function. This the increasing function can be taken. Therefore, at 0 the function is local minimum is here, and also given we observe, so P of minus 1 is less than whatever is here, P of 1 can be taken. That means is here, so P of 1 is the whatever is here, maximum value at x is equal 1 is here. Therefore, given function as maximum value at x is equal 1 and minimum value at x is equal whatever is here, 0 is here. Maximum value at x is equal whatever is here, 1. P of 1 is maximum value, but P of minus 1 is not minimum value. Minimum value at x is equal whatever is here, 0. You observe, given polynomial 4th degree First find P dash x is here. So whatever the P dash x is here, right, x equal 0 is root of P dash x equal 0. Simplify, we get C is equal 0. You take x is here, x into this is the 4x square plus 3x plus 2b is here. Given one condition, P dash x is only one real root. Only one real root means is here, x is only real root is here. Other quadratic polynomial has no real roots. Right, real root means sign depend upon what the x is here. That's why P dash x is here, x positive, P dash x is also positive, x 0, P dash is also 0, y root is here, x negative is here, P dash x is also negative. P dash x is positive means is, P dash x is positive means is here, in the interval 0 to 1 is increasing. And the P dash x is negative in the interval -1 to 0 means right. This is a decreasing function. So from this is the graph of the function. And also given P of -1 is less than what? P of 1. That means the maximum value at x is equal whatever is here 1, and the minimum value at x equal 0 is here. Therefore, given function has maximum value at 1 and minimum value at 0. That's why P of 1 is maximum, but P of -1 is not whatever is here. Minimum can be taken. చూడండి, P of x అనేది ఒక 4వ తరగతి బహుపది ఇచ్చిండు. P dash x ఈక్వల్ 0కి x ఈక్వల్ 0 అనేది కేవలం ఒక వాస్తవ మూలం, మరియు P of -1 లెస్ దెన్ P of 1 ఇచ్చినాడు. అయితే రైట్, ప్రమేయానికి P అనే ప్రమేయానికి గరిష్ట కనిష్ట విలువలు ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి అని అడిగినాడు. రైట్, ఇక్కడ 1 దగ్గర గరిష్టం ఉంటుందా, -1 దగ్గర గరిష్టం ఉంటుందా, 1 దగ్గర కనిష్టం ఉంటుందా, -1 దగ్గర కనిష్టం ఉంటుందా అని ఇచ్చినాడు. సో P of x ప్రమేయం అండి. రైట్, దాని నుంచి P dash x కనుక్కున్నాం. P dash xకి ఈ P dash xకి x ఈక్వల్ 0 అనేది వాస్తవ మూలం కాబట్టి P dash x ఈక్వల్ P dash ఆఫ్ 0 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 అయింది. దాని C ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 అయింది. C ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మిగతా ప్రమేయం నుంచి x కామన్ తీసినాం. రైట్, P dash xకి 0 అనేది ఒకటే ఒక వాస్తవ మూలం, అంటే x ఈక్వల్ 0 అనేది ఒక వాస్తవ మూలం కాబట్టి మిగిలిన వర్గ బహుపదికి వాస్తవ మూలాలు లేవు. కాబట్టి P dash x యొక్క గుర్తు దేని మీద ఆధారపడుతుందండి? x మీద ఆధారపడుతుంది. మనకి ఇచ్చిన అంతరం -1 to 1, దాన్ని 3 భాగాలుగా చేయవచ్చు. 0 అయినప్పుడు P dash x ఈక్వల్ 0 అయింది, ఎందుకంటే మూలమైంది. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ x అనేది 0 to 1 ఉన్నప్పుడు ధనాత్మకం, -1 to 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు రుణాత్మకం. రైట్, అంటే P dash x 0 to 1లో ధనాత్మకమైంది కాబట్టి అది ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ప్రమేయం అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ -1 to 0 రుణాత్మకమైంది కాబట్టి డిక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే రైట్, 0 దగ్గర ప్రమేయం కనిష్ట విలువను కలిగి ఉంది అనేది క్లియర్. ఇప్పుడు మనకు గరిష్ట విలువ ఏంటి అనేది కావాలి. గరిష్ట విలువ ఏమి కావాలంటే ఏం నియమం ఇచ్చిందండి? P of -1 లెస్ దెన్ P of 1 ఇచ్చింది. అంటే -1 1లలో ఏది ఎక్కడ గరిష్ట విలువను కలిగి ఉంటుందండి? 1 దగ్గర గరిష్ట విలువ కలిగి ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఇవ్వబడిన ప్రమేయానికి రైట్ గరిష్ట విలువ 1 దగ్గర ఉంటుంది, కనిష్ట విలువ 0 దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి P of 1 అనేది రైట్ గరిష్ట విలువ అవుతుంది, కానీ P of -1 అనేది కనిష్ట విలువ కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, లెట్ f r to r be a continuous function, be a continuous function defined by f of x is equal 1 by e power x plus 2 e power minus x for all x belongs to r. Right, then statement 1 is here. So f of c is equal to 0 for some c belongs to r is here. Right, statement 2 is here. Right, 0 less than f of x less than or equal to 1 by 2 root 2 for all x belongs to r is here. Right, so whatever the first response is here, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is also true is here. And the second answer is here, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Right, next third answer is here, statement 1 is the what? Statement 1 is true, statement 1 is what the false, statement 2 is whatever is here true. Right, fourth answer is here, statement 1 is false and statement 2 is also whatever is here false can be taken. And the here also statement 2 is the correct reason for the statement 1 is here, and which is also true is here, statement 2 is the correct reason for whatever is here statement 1. This is the given question. Right, but f r to r is the continuous function defined for all real numbers is here, and the second right and two statements are given, statement 1 and statement 2. Right, so f of c is equal to whatever is here, f of c statement 1, f of c is equal to 1 by 3 for some c belongs to r is here, and statement 2 is here, 0 less than f of x less than or equal to 1 by root 2 is here for all x belongs to r. given 4 response. Statement 1 true, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is also true, statement 2 is the correct reason for statement 1, statement 1 true, statement 2 is true, but statement 2 is not correct to whatever the reason for statement 1, and the statement 1 is false, statement 2 is false, statement 1 is false and statement 2 is whatever is here true. This the given question is here. Right. So what the given function is here? Given function first f of x equal is here 1 by e power x plus 2 into e power minus x is here. F of x equal, this can be taken 1 by e power x is here. This e power x by e power 2x plus whatever is here 2 can be taken is here. For finding the maxima or minima, first find f dash x is here. F dash x equal e power 2x plus 2 into e power x is here minus e power x into e power 2x into 2 is here by e power 2x plus 2 whatever is here whole square. F dash x is equal, right, e power 3 this the 2 e power x is here minus the whatever the e power 3x and 2 into e power minus 3x is here, this the e power 3x by e power 2x plus 2 whatever is here whole square can be taken is here. Right. So next one, right, so from this one is here we want the at maximal minimum value is here f dash x equating to whatever is here 0. Equating to f dash x equal 0 is here 2 into e power x minus e power 3x is equal whatever is here 0 is here e power gx equal 0. Simplifying this one is here 2 e power x is equal to e power whatever is here 3x is here. From that one e power 2x equal 2 is here, e power x whole square is equal 2 is here, e power x equal whatever is here root 2 can be taken from this function is here. So e power x equal root 2 is here, then maximum value or minimum value of the function is here equating e power x equal root 2 is here. So then whatever the maximum value is here, minimum value at x equal 0 is minimum value is here, maximum value at e power x equal root 2 is here. Substitute e power x equal root 2 is here, the substitute effect e power x equal root 2 is here, then what is the fx e power x equal root 2 means is here 1 by root 2 plus 2 by root 2 is here. Right, the value is equal 1 by, right, what the root 2 plus root 2 is here, the value is 1 by 2 root 2 is here. Right. Therefore, given function f of x is here which is always positive and the less than or equal to 1 by 2 root 2 for all real number can be taken is here. Right. So our lies between 0 and whatever is here 1 by root 2, second statement is correct. Right. We observe and f is continuous function. Right. F is continuous function means is here lies between 0 and 1 by 2 root 2, every value attains the function value is here. Our 1 by 3 is also lies between 0 and 1 by 2 root 2 is here. F is continuous function. Some function value must be is equal 1 by 3, right. So for some function value must be is equal whatever is here 1 by 3 is here. Statement 1 is also correct. That's why statement 2 correct, statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is the correct response for whatever is here statement 1. What observation? F is continuous function. Continuous function is most important is here and statement 1, statement 2 is given. So which is the correct response? So first observe given function f of x. Find the f dash x is here. So right, equating to for maximum or minimum f dash x equal 0. From that we find the e power x equal whatever is here root 2. The given function is always whatever the positive and maximum value is whatever is here, right, at x equal to e power root 2 is here. That's why so f of, right, substitute e power x equal 1 by root 2 value is here, we get 1 by 2 root 2 is here. Therefore our function lies between 0 and whatever is here 1 by 2 root 2 is here. Statement 2 is correct. And also we observe is here, right, so 1 by 3 lies between 0 and 1 by, right, 0 and 1 by whatever is here 2 root 2 is here and f is continuous function. Right. Continuous functions assumes every value between its minimum and maximum is here. So it means minimum and maximum means is here 1 by 3 lies between minimum and maximum. That's why one function value must be is equal whatever is here 1 by 3. That's why f of c is equal 1 by 3. Statement 1 true, statement 2 is also true. Statement 2 is the correct reason for whatever the statement 1. So right, fx is equal 1 by e power x plus 2 e power minus x for all x belongs to r అనేది అవిచ్ఛిన్న ప్రమేయము. అయితే ఈ కింది రెండు ప్రవచనాలను పరిశీలించండి. మొదటి ప్రవచనం ఏంటండి? f of c is equal 1 by 3 ఏదైనా ఒక c అనేది వాస్తవ సంఖ్య. రెండవ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏంటండి? రెండవ ప్రవచనం fx విలువలు అన్నీ కూడా 0, 1 by 2 రూట్ మధ్యలో ఉంటాయి. అయితే ఈ క్రింది వాటిలో ఏది నిజం? స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 నిజం, స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 అనేది నిజం, స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 అనేది స్టేట్మెంట్ 1కి సరైన కారణం. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 కరెక్ట్, స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 కరెక్ట్, స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 అనేది స్టేట్మెంట్ 1కి సరైన వివరణ కాదు. రైట్, అండ్ ద రైట్ ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ ఫాల్స్ ట్రూ అని ఇచ్చినాడు. ఫస్ట్ ఇచ్చిన ప్రమేయం ఏంటండి? f of x. రైట్, దాన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరించినాం, దాన్ని గరిష్ట లేదా కనిష్ట విలువ కోసం f'(x) కనుక్కున్నాం, f'(x) 0 తీసుకున్నాం, e⁻x ఏమైందండి √2 అయింది. సో దాన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ప్రమేయంలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 1/2 అయింది. మరియు fx అనేది ఎల్లప్పుడూ కూడా ధనాత్మకం కాబట్టి fx ఏ విలువల మధ్యలో ఉందండి 0 1/2 మధ్యలో ఉన్నది. కాబట్టి రెండవ స్టేట్మెంట్ అనేది నిజం. రైట్, మరియు మనకి ఇవ్వబడిన 1/3 విలువ కూడా 0కి 1/2 మధ్యలో ఉంది. మరియు f అనేది అవిచ్ఛిన్న ప్రమేయం. రైట్, f ఏదైనా అవిచ్ఛిన్న ప్రమేయం అయితే ఆ ప్రమేయం గరిష్ట కనిష్ట విలువల మధ్య ఉన్న ప్రతి విలువను కూడా పొందుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ 1/3 అనేది మనకు గరిష్ట కనిష్ట విలువలకు మధ్యలో ఉంది. కాబట్టి ప్రమేయం కంపల్సరీ 1/3 పొందుతుంది. అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రమేయంలో కంపల్సరీ ఏం కావాలండి 1/3 కావాలి. కాబట్టి f(c) = 1/3 అనేది కూడా కరెక్ట్. సో కాబట్టి స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్, స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్, స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 అనేది స్టేట్మెంట్ 1కి సరియైన వివరణ. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, for x belongs to 0, 5 π/2 define f(x) is equal integral 0 to x √t into sin t dt. Then f has dt is here. Then f has right. The three responses here. F has local minima at x = pi and local maximum at x is equal to whatever is here 2 pi. Second response is local maximum at x = pi and the local minimum at x is equal to whatever is here 2 pi is the second response. And the third response is here, right, local whatever is here local maximum at whatever is here pi and 2 pi is here. Fourth response is here local whatever is here minimum at pi and whatever is here 2 pi. Right, which is the correct answer. What given function is given? Right, function defined in the interval 0, 5 π/2. So when it is minimum, so given two critical points are given, pi and whatever is here 2 pi you discuss. Right, first given function is whatever is here f(x) is equal to is here integral 0 to x is here √2 into whatever is here sin t dt is here. Right, first given whatever the first given is here, right, given function in terms of whatever is here integral, we want for maxima or minima. How it is find the derivative. Right, so f'(x) is equal to is here by Lepierre rule is here integration and differentiation will be inverse operations is here. That's why f'(x) equal √x into whatever is here sin x can be taken is here. f'(x) equal √x into sin x is here. So for maxima or minima f'(x) equal whatever is here 0, √x into sin x is equal whatever is here 0 is here. √x into sin x equal whatever is here 0. Right, given interval is open 0, 5 π/2. So means x is not equal to 0 is here. Only sin x is equal 0 in the interval 0 to π/2 is here. Imply x equal at pi, 2 pi is here. The right, sin x is 0. Therefore the function has minimum or maximum at pi, whatever is here 2 pi. Next find is here f'(x) is here. Right, well, we decide maximum or minima. What is the f'(x) is here √x differentiation 1/2 x into sin x is here plus √x into sin x differentiation is what cos x is here. f'(x) value is here at x equal pi is here. You substitute sin pi is 0, this value is 0 is here. Cos pi is -1, that's why minus √pi is negative is here. That's why maximum value at whatever is here pi. f'(x) value is here at x equal 2 pi can be taken is here. Right, we observe what is the sin 2 pi value is 0 and cos 2 pi value is whatever the +1. Right, so 2 pi into 1 is here. Right, positive minimum value at whatever is here x equal 2 pi. Therefore we observe, right, at x is equal to pi is the local maximum, at x equal to pi is the whatever is here local minimum can be taken is here. Right, local maximum at pi and local minimum at 2 pi is here. Second response is correct. What given? f(x) is given in terms of integral. Find maximum and minimum at which values of x is given. First f(x) is given using the Lepierre rule. Find the whatever the f'(x) equal 0. For maxima or minima f'(x) equal what 0. Right, √x into sin x equal 0. But our given interval is 0 to 5 π/2. 5 into 90 5 into 90 is here. That's why root x is not equal to 0. Only sin x equal 0 in the interval 0 to 5 pi by 2 is here. So what that sin x is 0 is here, x equal pi comma 2 pi. Therefore critical points are pi comma 2 pi. We decide maximum or minimum. How? Find the second derivative. F'(x) is here. F'(x) value at x equal pi. Sin pi is 0, cos pi minus 1, which is negative. Maximum value is here. F'(x) value at x equal 2 pi. Sin 2 pi 0, cos 2 pi 1, which is positive. Right. Positive means minimum value at x equal whatever the 2 pi. Therefore, given function has local maximum at x equal pi and local minimum at x equal 2 pi is here. చూడండి f of x equal integral 0 to x root 2 into sin t అయితే f అనేది ఏ బిందువు వద్ద గరిష్ట విలువ కలిగి ఉంటుంది అని ఇచ్చినాడు. f of x equal సమాకలన రూపంలో ఇచ్చినాడు. రైట్. మనకు ప్రమేయం యొక్క గరిష్ట లేదా కనిష్ట విలువల కోసం ఏం చేయాలని దాన్ని అవకలనం చేస్తే f'(x) ఈక్వల్ లైబ్నిట్జ్ సూత్రం ప్రకారం అవకలనము సమాకలనం అనే విలోమ పరిక్రియలు కాబట్టి రైట్ f'(x) ఈక్వల్ ఏమవుతుందండి రూట్ x ఇంటూ sin x అవుతుంది. రైట్. మనకు గరిష్ట లేదా కనిష్ట విలువల కోసం f'(x) ఈక్వల్ ఏం చేయాలండి 0కు సమానం చేయాలి. రూట్ x ఇంటూ sin x ఈక్వల్ 0 అవుతుంది. కానీ మన అంతరం ఏంటండి 0, 5 pi by 2 కాబట్టి రూట్ x అనేది 0 కాదు. కావాలి కేవలం sin x అనేది 0 కావాలి. మన ఇచ్చిన అంతరంలో sin x ఎప్పుడు 0 అవుతుందండి పై కామా 2 పైల వద్ద 0 అవుతుంది. కానీ మనం ఏం చేయాలండి రైట్ ఎప్పుడు గరిష్టం ఎప్పుడు కనిష్టం దానికోసం f'(x) కనుక్కున్నాం. రైట్. x ఈక్వల్ పై దగ్గర కనుక్కుంటే sin pi 0 cos pi minus 1 ఇది రుణాత్మకం కాబట్టి పై వద్ద రైట్ సాపేక్ష గరిష్ట విలువని కలిగి ఉంటుంది. 2 పై దగ్గర దించాం cos 2 pi 0 అయింది. రైట్. sin 2 pi 0 అయింది. cos 2 pi plus 1 అయింది కాబట్టి ధనాత్మకం అయితే కనిష్ట విలువని కలిగి ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి x ఈక్వల్ పై వద్ద గరిష్ట విలువ రైట్ సాపేక్ష గరిష్ట విలువ x ఈక్వల్ 2 పై దగ్గర కనిష్ట విలువని కలిగి ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి సెకండ్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ లెట్ a comma b belongs to R b such that a comma b belongs to R b such that the function f given by f of x is equal to log x plus bx square plus ax x is not equal to 0 has extreme values at x is equal minus 1 and x is equal to x equal to. Then statement 1 is here. Right. F has local maximum at x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. And the statement 2 is here. Right. A is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to what the minus half. And the same 4 options is here 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. What the 1 is here? Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is the correct reason for statement 1. Second one is statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is not correct reason for statement 1. And the third response is statement 1 true, statement 2 is false. And the fourth response is statement 1 is false, statement 2 is true is here. This is a given question. What? A comma b are real numbers. Say that f of x has extreme values at x is equal to whatever is here minus 1 and 2 is here. But the extreme means maybe maximum or minimum. Right. At x equal what the minus 1 and whatever the plus 2 and 2 statements are given we decide. Right. So first one we decide f of x is equal what that one log x plus bx square plus whatever is here ax. Right. For extreme values is here first find f'(x) is here the value is 1 by x plus 2bx is here plus whatever is here a can be taken is here. Right. So the value is 1 by x. Right. 1 by x is here plus whatever is here 2bx plus the value is here given at x is equal to minus 1 and at x equal whatever is here 2 as the extreme value. At extreme values means is here minus 1 and plus 2 are the root of the equation means f dash minus 1 is equal to 0 and f dash 2 is also equal to 0. F dash minus 1 is equal to 0 means substitute minus 1 is here minus 1 minus 2b plus a is equal to 0. Substituting 2 is here 1 by 2 plus whatever is here 4b plus a is equal to whatever is here 0. Why? At a minus 1 and 2 are the extreme values is here. Solving these two equations is here we get a solving these two equations equations is here. A is equal to half and B is equal to whatever it is here, minus 1/4 can be taken is here. Therefore, the function f of x is equal to is here. So, what is the function f of x is here? Log x, right? What the b value is here? Minus 1/4 x square is here. A value is here, 1/2 x is here. This is the given function is here. So, what is the f dash x is here? What is the f dash x equal to is here? 1/x is here, minus x/2 plus half is here. Right. Next find, next find is here f double dash x is here. What is the f double dash x is here? Minus 1/x square minus half is here. Substitute the value is here. F double dash x value at minus 1 is here. And f double dash value at whatever is here. So, f double dash x value is here at minus 1 is negative. And the at minus 2 is also whatever is here, negative is here. So, both are negatives is here and both are the local maximums at x equal minus 1 and whatever is here 2, and A value is off and B value is whatever is here, minus 1/4 is here. That's why statement 2 is wrong and statement 1 is correct is here. Right. So, therefore, statement 1 is true and the statement 2 is whatever, right? Statement 1 is true is here and statement, right, whatever the statement 1 is true and statement 2 is wrong is here. What? Given function, right? So, what at x equal minus 1 and 2 are the extreme values is here. Then find the properties. Given function f x. Right, find the f dash x. At minus 1 and 2 are the extreme values is here. Extreme values means minus 1 and 2 are the roots of the f dash x equal 0. F dash minus 1 and 0 and f dash 2 is also 0. Solving these two equations is here, we get A and B values is here. Again substitute A and B values in the given function. Right, find the f dash x is here and f double dash x is here. We decide maximum and minimum at whatever is here, minus 1, 2 already critical points are given. Right, at minus 1 substitute and minus 2 both are the negative values is here. That's why given function has a local maximum at x equal minus 1 and whatever the 2, but A and B are the not correct answers is here. That's why statement 1 is true and statement 1 is what? False can be taken. చూడండి, fx అనే ప్రమేయం log x ప్లస్ bx స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ax గా ఇచ్చినాడు. రైట్, సో ఈ ప్రమేయానికి రైట్ అంత్య విలువలు x ఈక్వల్ మైనస్ 1 అండ్ x ఈక్వల్ 2 వద్ద పొందుతూ ఉంటే, సో స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 రెండు ప్రవచనాలు ఇచ్చినాడు. వీటికి సరి అయిన రెస్పాన్స్ ఏంటండి? స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 అంటే ఏంటండి? x ఈక్వల్ మైనస్ 1 అండ్ x ఈక్వల్ 2 వద్ద రైట్ సాపేక్ష గరిష్ట విలువలని కలిగి ఉంటాయి. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ ఏ విలువ ఇచ్చిండు, బి విలువ ఇచ్చిండు. ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్లో ఏవి కరెక్ట్ అని ఇచ్చినాడు. రైట్, మొదట ఫస్ట్ ఏం కనుక్కోవాలండి? ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ కనుక్కున్నాం. మైనస్ 1 రెండులు ఏంటండి వద్ద అంత్య విలువలు కలిగి ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ 2 అనేవి రెండు కూడా ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ 0కి ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ 0 సమీకరణానికి మూలాలు. కాబట్టి ఎఫ్ డాష్ మైనస్ 1 0 అయింది, ఎఫ్ డాష్ 2 కూడా 0 అయింది. దీన్ని సాధిస్తే ఏ విలువ వచ్చింది, బి విలువ వచ్చింది. ఏ కామా బి విలువలని ఇవ్వబడిన ప్రమేయంలో ప్రతిక్షేపించినాం. దాని నుంచి ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ కనుక్కున్నాం, దాని నుంచి ఎఫ్ డబుల్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ కనుక్కున్నాం. ఎఫ్ డబుల్ డాష్ ఎక్స్లో మైనస్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే రుణాత్మకం వచ్చింది, 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే కూడా రుణాత్మకం వచ్చింది. కాబట్టి ఇవ్వబడిన ప్రమేయానికి మైనస్ 1, 2 వద్ద గరిష్ట విలువలు కలిగి ఉంటాయి. కానీ ఏ కామా బి విలువలు కరెక్ట్ ఇవ్వలేదు. కాబట్టి స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 అనేది కరెక్ట్ కానీ స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 అనేది కరెక్ట్ కాదు.